guys. So so what we have here is a slime package from, I think, like, slime. I literally have no clue. So basically, it's like, so we have this slime. It's like mango and sticky rice or something. So it came with this activator thing and a lollipop, well, Dum Dum, and like a thank you card. So, yeah. Okay, so here is my order. Oh, yeah. And also, if it stops recording at a random time, without telling you guys, so, like, there's gonna be a part 2 because my iPad storage is, like, not doing great. Hold on, I'm just seeing if there's any extras. Okay, so, like, here's the slime. So, yeah, anyways. Okay, so here's, like, the mini. Oh, it's packaged up very nicely. Okay, so let me just tell y'all again that, like, ooh, it is, oh, it's kind of rippy. Okay, so here's this little mini slime. It has jelly cubes. It smells like, oh, it smells like a soap, like a body mango soap. So anyways, as I was telling you guys, if it stops recording while I'm talking, there's going to be a part 2 because my iPad storage is really bad. So yeah. So we have this, it's not very stretchy, but, you know, it smells really good. It smells like a soap, though. So, okay. It's okay, though. All right, so then we have the actual slime. So here we have sweet, sticky rice and mango. So, like, okay, so here's the slime. It is a Snowfish slime. Let me see what it smells like first. Hold on. Ooh, it smells like rice, honestly. Okay, so this slime is not very stretchy, as you can see, but it's really good. I can't really, like, it does kind of smell like rice, though. It smells like sweet rice, which is what it says, doesn't it? It says sweet, sticky rice and mango. So, it actually smells like sweet rice, like, actually. Okay, so hold on, let me just... All right, so now what we're going to do, hold on a second, is we're going to mix it in. Okay, this slime I really love. Okay, so I literally cannot stop smelling it. Okay, so anyways, so my camera quality is really bad, so this orange looks a lot lighter on camera than it actually is, and this looks a lot lighter too. Okay, so wow, it's really hard to mix it. Okay, or maybe I just got a bad batch or something. Yeah, maybe I just got a bad batch or something. Okay, so yeah, this slime is pretty good. It's just My one main thing is like that, like it's not very stretchy, and I don't really like that. But it's okay stretchy if you put it like to the thought. But you know what I mean? It's just like not very stretchy. I don't really like that. But I do really like Snowfizz slimes, so this is good. This one I would probably rate like maybe like